Today, I would like to show you its position. Reflection of a video mattress. I'm Jack. I work for Mattress Machine with more than 20 years. Also, I'm founder of the Zolytech Mattress Machine company. So, we would like to introduce all the secrets of the mattress production from China. If you're interested, please follow Zolytech Mattress Machine in our social media, especially in YouTube, also in LinkedIn, also in Facebook. So now let's get down to the point, that is mattress pocket spring machine. Beside me, this is the pocket spring machine. So this is the only one machine could make the pocket spring piece by piece. So we use one machine, make the pocket spring piece by piece from steel wire directly. So today, I would like to show you the details of this machine. Follow me, all my friends. All my friends. Before introduce this machine, I would like to introduce the pocket spring types, okay, which is professional for luxury mattress. The first is the different color of the pocket. Why? Because now the pocket spring units, we have the common and special function, that is zone function. Yes. So how can we make the zone function? That is, we use the different thickness or diameter for the steel wire for making the pocket spring. For example, if we need harder pocket spring, usually we will use 2 mm or 2.1 mm diameter of the steel wire, and we will use the blue color fabric. We use for firstly the four sides, secondly some in other section of the pocket spring. And the second is, this is the common, we use the white color, okay? This usually we use 1.9 or 1.8 mm diameter of the steel wire. So this kind of two diameters, two different diameters of the steel wire. So this is the basic logic for the zone function pocket spring units. And and another pocket, that is macro pocket. Let me show you details. Hello, my friends. Can you see this? Uh, this we call the micro uh, micro pocket spring layers. Can you see? And this steel wire is very thin, and it's not produced by this machine. Okay, this is produced by a special pocket machine. So, all my friends, if you are interested in this kind of machine, please leave message to us, especially from YouTube. Okay, we have this machine working videos in YouTube. So please remember me, Zolytech machinery. You could search Zolytech machinery here. Zolytech or Zolytech machinery from YouTube or Google or Yahoo or MSN. It's very easy to find out videos link. And also my contact information is also very easy, especially Facebook and also WhatsApp number. So we have a lot of working videos in our customers factory. So if you're interested, please go to YouTube. And also we are waiting for your message and comment. Okay, all my friends. Just now we make the introduction for the different kinds of pocket. Now I would like to show you the pocket spraying machine. How can we make these pocket blocks, pocket spraying blocks, one by one? How can we make it? Are you interested? Yes. If you're interested, get me. We are waiting for you. Now, let's get down to the point of the machine. So, on my face, there is double wire, two wire, double wire. On my face, can you listen clearly my voice? Because I have the microphone. I hope you can listen clearly. Clearly, can you listen clearly? If yes, please press 1 and get confirmation to me. Okay. So, double wire. Get the control on the wheel, the hole to the machine. So before break the coil spring, we must make the steel wire with high temperature. Why? Because we must make the steel wire more soft, more flexible, more easily. For coil, for coiling easily. Because when we make the springs, when we make the springs, okay, the steel wire, we have to use the heat treatment. We use one structure to make the steel wire hot with high temperature. Make the software, no, make the steel wire more soft before coiling. Okay, so we have this structure to make the high temperature in short time, less than 1 second, less to make high temperature. And then we make the heat. We use the heat to make the coil. Piece by piece, like this. And now, after upgrading the structures of the coil head, we make the coil speed. We could make more than at least 200 pieces per minute. 200 pieces per minute. Even if 300, even if 300 pieces per minute. Our machine also available. So, almost if you're interested to share this kind of experience to all our friends. So now we make the spring. Okay, now this is not a copy, okay? We make spring piece by piece with high temperature, correct? Okay. So and then after oil, we will use the backlighting device. Okay, backlighting device to transit the hot, very hot spring. Okay, it's hot spring to the next procedure. During the transportation, we must make the temperature cold with low temperature. Why? Because the next procedure is the popping. So we don't want let the hot spring to damage the fabric, the pocket fabric. This is very important for my friends. So make close. Come. Let's make close. So I want to show you the details of the head and also the magnetic device and also the pocket making device. The device for making the pocket we use ultrasonic seal device. So this pocket we use ultrasonic device to seal the pocket piece by piece with very high speed. Even if 300 pieces per minute also available. So how can we finish this, how to say, magic, correct? Magical project. How can we finish this? In the last 30 years, Nero and Zolytech, we are working together for make the developing for this technology and also the creating machines and heavy machines for one-stop solution in mattress production fields. So, all my friends, if we need more information about the mattress production and also Zolytech and the Nero company, please don't hesitate to search Zolytech in social media such as the YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, especially Google, because it's very easy for you to find me, contact me, make information. WeChat, WhatsApp, it's easy, and I could share. I prefer you send me message by WhatsApp. It's my great honor to share all the secrets behind the mattress production to all our friends. So now, let's get close to the machine. Follow me. First, the steel wire we are putting here. The steel wire we put here. Usually, one part is enough. One part, okay. And then, because this is double wire, so you could put steel wire 1, steel wire 2, different. For different thickness or different diameter, correct? Usually 1.8 and 2.1 or 2.0 possibility for different diameter of the steel wire for zone function. So double wire. Yes. So the double wire you put here and get it through from the wheel to the machine. So before, oh my friend, come on, let me show you. Can you see? This device. Okay. Why this device? This device for make the steel wire with high temperature for soft purpose. Soft. And this is safe because this is high resistance but low electricity flow. So all my friends, can you see? So in short time to make the steel wire with high temperature for soft purpose before cutting. So this device, if we need more information, for example, the theory of this information. Also, if you need, if you have any questions about this structure, how can we fix the high temperature function in short time within 1 second? How can we make it? Get me? Okay. So at this point, we already make the steel wire with high temperature, right? And then we will have one structure to make the steel wire direct. Direct. It's not flexible, okay? It's direct. Follow me. All my friends. Can you see? The steel wire, when they come here, and you can find out there is another one, right? Another device for high temperature. Because we have two steel wire, it's double wire. So we have double structure for high temperature function. Okay. Yes. And then we need to get to the next procedure, that is make the steel wire direct. This one. All my friends, here. Can you see? These two wheels here make the steel wire direct. Yes, direct. Before calling. So this is the calling head of the pocket spraying machine. For this calling head, this is the most part of the machine, and many spare parts inside. This is the core for service. So you buy this machine from who? Who is better? Was depends on this part. Why? We have different types of experience. What is the problem when using this machine? When you repair this machine, the core technology, the quality of the service is from this head. Correct? Yes. So, my friend, if you need more information about the solar head working, please trust me, and I do promise you have to follow Zolytech Machinery in YouTube.com because we already download a lot of work videos in YouTube. And you could get a general idea about this machine running. I promise you, you will get the answer from YouTube. Thank you very much together for sharing the time together with Jack. I'm Jack. I work for Mattress Machinery more than 20 years, and also I'm the founder of the Zolytech Mattress Machine. If we are interested, please get it. Search Zolytech in Google. Within 1 minute, you can find me WeChat or WhatsApp QR code WeChat ID. All my friends, we have a lot of working videos from this part. How to adjust the different types of the springs. How to exchange the spare parts. How to run this machine. How to make maintenance of the machine. How to get the money book for this machine. How to make a good mattress from this kind of pocket spring machine. Zolytech could give one-stop solution for your mattress production. Not just about the pocket spring machine, also creating machine, packing machine, and also the handling machine with stacker machine. We could make the mattress panels production as a production line. One lady could run 2 production lines. One man, one engineer could run 8 machines. This is 8 machines. Pocket machines. This is our experience. This is our production procedure. This is our SOP for this experience, if you're interested. So, on my friend, how to run your mattress production department. How to run your production team. How to get good production SOP. Zolytech will be your potential partner in the near future. I promise to you. I do promise to all our friends. Okay, now let's get down again. Let's get back again to the pocket spring machine. Just now, I make the introduction for how to make the pocket spring. Each procedure, correct? Yes, first, we have to make high temperature for soft purpose. And then, we must make the steel wire direct. Correct? Not flexible, okay? Direct. Before calling. And then we make the introduction for the head, for the calling head, for piece by piece springs. before pocket, correct? Yes. Okay. Beside your pocket is the spring. Of the pocket, the height vectors. So how much ratio, how much rate compressed. This is the key point for luxury mattress, correct? Yes. And the Zolytech could share this to all our friends. So for this coil head, after make a coil, this spring is very hot. You cannot touch it. It's very hot. How much temperature? How much degree temperature? This question for you. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for your message. We are waiting for your answer. Okay? So you can't touch it. So very hot. We must make it cold with low temperature. You know it. You know the reason? Question two. Wow, we must make low temperature for the spring after cooling. This is 磁铁是哪个单词？
磁铁
Magnetic. Magnetic. Yes. This is a magnetic device. You see? You see? So the springs. You see? It's very easy to be touched together or attached together. Okay? And then transit. Transit. The purpose for transit, that is cool down the temperature. So this height usually about 30. Okay, the traditional 30, 28 or 30, 31 like this. Depends on your request. And then transit to this part. Can you see this part? So this part, we already have one V-shaped structure to make shorter of the height, like this. Let compress. Here, why? Because the next pocket procedure is waiting for the pocket, the cold temperature pocket. For ultrasonic device, see the pocket piece by piece. So let's get closer. Okay, let's get closer. Come. Can you see here? The spring is here. Then make it compressed, compressed, compress, 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 compress till the pocket. So how to make a pocket? Come on. Oh my friends, this is the non-woven fabric. Non-woven fabric. See? Yes. Non-woven fabric, we have many kinds of, especially different colors, and also in China now, the luxury fabric for pocket, that is not knitted, okay, it's needle punched fabric. This is very, very good fabric for pocket spring. So for this pocket, This is traditional. We use 80 gram per square meter. Okay, the density. So you see, we use the Ruid structure to make the special shape of the pocket like this. And then we use this structure. Okay, close. Okay, I will make more close to you. You see this structure, make the shape before the pocket. And this we have the two wheels to make it close before sealed. We use ultrasonic seal. We use ultrasonic seal. So what is ultrasonic seal? What? This is the question 3 to all our friends. Yes. So here, can you see? Already sealed by ultrasonic model. Yes, device. So here, so the first we seal this is this way. The pocket we need to seal. The first is this. This is the pocket seal. The second is this direction. So there are two sealed direction, two places. The first is this one. You see? Seal. The second one, this, piece by piece. This is the pocket, all my friends. Can you see? So how to make the pocket spring units? How to make? This is a good question, all my friends, correct? This is very good question. Yes, okay. So the second sealed is from here. This is the ultrasonic, can you see? Ultrasonic model. Here, can you see here? Yes. So after here, the pocket spring was finished piece by piece, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here with this, we call the pocket spring block, correct? Yes. This is a pocket spring block. But if from here, this is not the end point for the pocket spring units. Why? 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 Because we need to assemble blocks by blocks, correct? Yes. So we have one mattress pocket spring assemble machine. Also we call it automatic assemble machine for pocket spring units. Correct? Yes. So for the pocket assemble machine, we have two functions. One is cutting automatically. For example, the length, how much length? Usually 2 meters. Or not 2 meters, it is 1.97, 1.95 meters also available. So adjust the computer piece by piece, automatic cutting. After cutting, transit to the hot melt glue for adhesive automatic. This is the procedure of assembly. If you need more information for how to make the simple pocket spring blocks, all my friends, we are waiting for you. This is Jack, and I work for mattress machinery more than 20 years. And also, Nero and Zolytech, we are deep partner for one-stop solution for all our customers. We are not just a supply for the pocket spring crate machine, but also we supply for mattress production line. So for the mattress production line, you could ask any inquiries, any questions about your current production situation. All our team, we are waiting for your message. Please follow and like Zolytech social media from YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or WeChat. We will reply you as quickly as possible. So, all my friends, today I already finished the introduction for the pocket spring units production, correct? Okay. So, if you need any more questions or information, get me. Zolytech is always be here for waiting for your message. So, all my friends, thank you very much for sharing the time together with me, with Zolytech. Thank you. Let's call it today. Tomorrow, be here, be there, be square. See you. Bye bye. Bye bye.